Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great and thank you so much for watching my video today. If you have read the title, then you would know this video is going to be a review video. In fact, I'm filming a video after 2 weeks. I had pre-recorded and pre-filmed videos, so thank God for that. I have been posting them on and off. So if you haven't been watching my videos, chances are that you may have subscribed and not turn on the bell notification. So please do that, turn on the bell notification, select all, so that whenever I upload a video, YouTube will notify you, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Now coming to today's video, I'm going to review this NY Babe Brooklyn eyebrow pencil. So this is how it looks like. Now NY Babe is not a new brand or something that I have not heard of before. If you have been watching my videos in the past, you would know I have talked about this brand a lot. So without wasting further time, I'm going to go ahead and talk more about this brow pencil. So if this video interests you, please keep on watching. Friends, so let's start with the review right away. So this is the product that I have in my hand. It's called the NY Babe Brooklyn Bridge Eyebrow Pencil. Now it does come in two variants, and that is black and brown. I do have the dark brown variant because for obvious reason, if I use black it will kind of look weird. So I went for the brown option. Now it has 1.4 grams of product and it's priced at ₹99. तो ये बहुत ही सस्ता और affordable है. Although there are even affordable ones than this one, but obviously the formula would be different. I mean, that's what I think. So yeah, I just pulled up the information and I was going through it, and you can exclusively buy it from purple.com, or you can go to Amazon and buy it as well. I will leave the links in the description box, तो आप उसको check out कर सकते हो. तो अभी हम इस पेंसिल के ऊपर आते हैं. तो ये ऐसा दिखता है. If you have used a Lakme eyebrow pencil, the very basic one, it kind of looked like this, but it was like a chotu version. This is a bigger one and it has quite a lot of product. Now it says only brown, so it's not dark brown, it's brown, and I have used it, so I know how it is. So this is how the product looks like, if you can make out. And I'm just going to do like a swatch on my hand. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So I think it should be good enough for my brows. So what we are going to do is we are going to test it, and then I'm going to tell you what I think about it. Now I do not do anything special for my brows. If you have been watching me over the years on YouTube, on my blog, social media, Instagram, then you would know that I am very terrible when it comes to filling my brows. I honestly feel it's not necessary, but over the years I've also realized that once you fill your brows, they look more neater, and in my case I have gaps, so once you fill them in, they look nice and prominent. So yeah, today I'm going to fill my brows for obvious reasons, because I have to review this product. So first thing first I'm going to do is I'm going to take a spoolie. Now this is how it looks like. ये spoolie brush आपको कहीं पे भी मिल जाएगा, online, offline. तो आप definitely आपको इसमें invest करना ही चाहिए. This I got from Beauty Center in Bombay, in Crawford Market. I think I paid $30. Yes, that's so cheap, isn't it? So I'm going to take my brush and then I'm going to flick my hair on top like that. And I'm done with combing my brows and kind of setting it, in a direction which I want. I'm going to go ahead and take that same pencil. This is how it looks like. And I'm slowly going to start filling in my brows. Now I'm going to come a little bit closer so that you know what's going on. So I'm going to use very light hand motion. Okay friends, moving on, this is what I have achieved so far. I'm going to go back to the spoolie and I'm going to brush the product in. What happens when you brush your brows is that it will distribute the eyebrow pencil, the product which is inside, evenly, and it won't look like weird. ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि आपने एक लाइन बनाई है. So can you see that clearly there's a difference between this one and this one, although I feel it needs a little more, I mean I need to fill it a little more. So can you see that this is how it looks like. Again I'm going to go back with my spoolie and I'm going to distribute the product so that it doesn't look, weird. Okay, so can you see the difference between this brow and this one? This one definitely looks more defined, and it kind of looks lifted as well. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Gel Brow Mascara. You can use it for your brows, you can use it for your eyelashes. मैंने इसका रिव्यू ऑलरेडी किया है मेरे चैनल पे है, तो आप डेफिनेटली चेकआउट कीजिए. I'm going to wipe off the excess of that brush, and then I'm simply going to lightly apply it on my brows to set it. Now, to be very honest, this product is not required. This is just an extra step that I am doing, and I'll tell you the reason why. Because this product, which is the eyebrow pencil, is kind of waxy, which means जब आप इसको अप्लाई करोगे वो आपके आईब्रोज में अच्छी तरीके से होल्ड होगा, तो आपको अलग से कोई ब्राउ प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट बिकॉज आई हैड दी आईब्राउ जेल, सो आई थॉट why not do an extra step. So yeah, this is how my brow looks like, and I'm quite happy with it because I like natural brows. I don't like overfilling them and over plucking them. So since I've already done it on this eye, and now what I need to do is I need to go and do the other eye. So I'll just go off camera, do the other eyebrow as well, and I'll be right back. Okay friends, so I'm back, and this is how my eyebrows look like. I think the difference is pretty much clear if you have been watching me from the beginning of the video until now. Now let's talk about this product, whether I like it or not. First thing first is that it is really affordable and it's easily available online. I think you can buy it easily, from the comfort of your homes, either from Purple or from Amazon. Some of them might find it a con. I think I don't, because I usually shop from Purple or Amazon, तो मेरे लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. But some of you all might find it a con. However, if you are really keen on buying this product, you can buy it online. I will mention the links in the description box. The other thing is that you get 1.4 grams of product, which is quite a lot for a brow pencil, and you can go through one eyebrow pencil like for 3 or 4 months if you regularly fill in your brows. I think we are all stuck in a pandemic, so I don't know how many of you guys really put makeup when you are at home. Me being a beauty blogger and beauty whatever YouTuber you want to call me, I still don't apply makeup when I'm at home. But yes, sometimes I feel like when I'm filming a video or I'm filming a tutorial and stuff, I definitely use brow pencils. So it's totally up to you. I would feel 100 रुपये इन्वेस्ट करना एक अच्छे brow pencil में not bad. I would definitely recommend you to try this, and the reason being is that it comes in 2 shades, so you have a shade option. मतलब एक ऑप्शन है कि ब्राउन या ब्लैक यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सेकेंडली इट्स काइंड ऑफ वैक्सी, so when you use it you'll definitely get that polished effect. Can you see that? Like I have used a brow gel out here, but I haven't used here, but you cannot tell the difference. So definitely एक brow pencil में पूरा काम हो जाएगा. And yeah, that's that. I don't think so there's any con as such. The only thing I found while using this pencil, that once you sharpen it, you'll go through it like really quickly. Like if I have to do my brows, if I have sharpened the pencil, I'll really have to work it in, and that kind of you kind of finish the product really quickly, which I honestly don't think is a big con as such, but I just wanted to mention in case that is something which bothers you guys. But considering the fact it's a little bit waxy, so it really helps keeping the brows together. So I guess this is it. This was my review of the NYB Brooklyn Bridge Eye Pencil. I mean, it's a kind of a weird name for me to remember as well. So I really recommend this product. I think it's nice, it's affordable, it's easily available, and if you are into filling your brows, definitely go for this one. I would highly recommend. Alright friends, so that is a wrap for today. So that was my review of the NYB Brow Pencil. I hope you guys found it informative, and let me know in the comment section which is your favorite eyebrow pencil. Have you tried this one? And any other video ideas, suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below. I do update my description, so you will find the link of the product, also my social media handles, and also visit my blog. Everything will be mentioned in the description box. So it's been a while, as I mentioned, that I filmed a video, so filming this one was not so easy. So I'm trying to get back to filming videos again, and hopefully at least every Friday I will be posting a single video. So please stay tuned to my channel, and please stay tuned to my future videos. For now, this is it, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.